Hello and welcome to MTD CNC. Today we are here at Auto Mechanica show, which is one of the biggest auto component show in Delhi. And I am here with Mr. Pankaj Jain, who is the managing director of Supreme Sales Agency, and Miss Mona, who is the taking care of digital marketing. Thank you for inviting us. So please tell us about your journey, how you have become such a big player in automotive market.
We started our journey with only $50 in 1999. Supreme Sales Agency started with just $50, and then we were doing automotive industry spare part business in domestic market. We built up a network of around 300 dealers in northeastern states of India. After that, we shifted our when we want to grow, we started overseas market. We try to cater first the Indian spare parts vehicle spares for Indian vehicles, and after that we we make three verticals. We have one vertical for friction material, and second vertical is for spring leaf, and third is for the Indian domestic bumper to bumper solution for Indian made vehicles. And we have almost in every continent. Our presence is in every continent, and we are now catering fully 55 countries. And we have a very good plan. In next year, we want to do around 365 containers in 365 days.
Fantastic. I think it's a very inspiring journey.
And thanks to the government, all the support what we are getting from the present government, all the good trade treaties which government is doing, we are getting very good response from the overseas market, and India is going to grow like anything. Yeah, next 2-3 decades are of Indians.
Absolutely. This is an Indian decade now.
Indian decade.
So, talking about your multiple brands you are doing, you are working with a lot of multinational and you are exporting to 55 countries. Can you please elaborate a little bit? Can you give us some examples? Which kind of brands, which kind of products you are?
We are associated directly with almost we are working with almost 300 vendors. But our first choice is always quality. We don't see whether the quality is from Indian manufacturing or it is from MNC. We don't see like that. We want best of the product so that our image is there. People recognize us, Supreme Sales Agency, as a exporter of only quality products. That's image we have earned. This is what we are doing.
Amazing. So you have your own product lines as well, like BBL and Master Truck. So can you please elaborate on that?
BBL, we started in friction material. We are associated with a top manufacturers of Brazil, and they have a joint venture here. Now we are slowly catering the market in BBL in almost every continent. And because friction requires a lot of specialization and the quality has to be at par with the latest, technology. So we are dependent on the company which is world best.
Okay.
So we are and it's a, life risk is there.
Yes.
If you sell spurious product. So India should be recognized as the quality house for spares. So that is our aim.
So Mona ma'am, you are, as sir told, that you are exporting to 55 countries. So how have you achieved this success? Can you please elaborate?
Well, this is something we are targeting country-wise, continent-wise, and we are trying to capture as many as good importers and the people who are really into into the industry. We are trying to capture them through different digital modes and through personal meetings and of course through trade shows as well. We've been regularly participating in shows like Auto Mechanica, Frankfurt, and Istanbul and other places as well. So this is how we are trying to get we are establishing our brand worldwide. Now people know with our things that yes, there is some brand called BBL and Master Truck which are giving the quality product and the specialized products, all that.
The biggest award we got is that the biggest leader of our industry came to us and he says, I am your competitor.
Wow.
That was,
That's the best compliment.
Yes, best compliment. I said, you have given me a Nobel Prize or Oscar.
Correct. So, sir, coming back to you, now a lot of free trade agreements are happening, and you are into export.
Yeah.
So, what do you think? What kind of effect it will have, and how?
Ultimately, I believe we are very bullish. We are very bullish that after this 2 decades belongs to India. Now everyone want to shift their base from China, want to shift little bit to India. And if we have the right approach and right this thing, I think next 2 decades belongs to India.
Fantastic. And I think, sir, million of people are watching you right now globally, and you are a global expert as well. So, would you like to give any message to the audience?
India will grow, and India will, the growth of India will be also very organic. It is not like that we will sell just spurious material. India is quality. India means quality. That will be there. I believe so.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.